There's some water from the storms we had. Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washer. We're out in Lebanon, Tennessee, and we hadn't been here since 2016. And it's pretty dirty, but at some point in time in between the last time we were here and this time, homeowner said they rented a pressure washer and they were trying to do it themselves, and they kind of stopped when it started putting holes in the vinyl. So too much pressure, wrong tip, a myriad of other things. And plus, the older the siding is, because this was 2016 we were here, I was cleaning this same siding, so this siding's not new, and it begins to get fragile and brittle. So high pressure is never good. So I use ball valve for rinsing all this once, you know, soaps and bleaches has gotten rid of the green. So the other issue we had today is, you know, spring we have bird's nest. So they did have bird's nest up here, and it has like 5 eggs in it. There we go. So what we did is we took this garbage bag and we covered it when we sprayed up here, and then I rinsed it and then uncovered it and did, you know, all this by hand. Wipe this down here by hand in order to clean it. So that way it still gets clean, but it doesn't, you know, damage the eggs, mess up the bird or anything. So that's where we're at. We're in Lebanon, Tennessee, getting this house looking good again, getting that sidewalk looking better. It needs a good post trick because it was really black. Anyway, that's where we're at. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.